Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Gerard, and today we are looking at what I found at my local Burlington. I had an absolute blast making this video. You guys will not believe what I found, so be sure to stick around and check it out. And if you like content like this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this. It truly helps the channel grow. But without further ado, let's jump into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another rack store pickup. Let's see what I picked up. Now, I just did a video on Middle Eastern fragrances and colognes and how I'm getting burnt out on colognes. And of course, I had to grab a cologne today. But this is one, again, kind of sticking to the theme of these really hyped fragrances in 2025 that I am just getting around now to trying, that everyone talked amazingly well about, and that you would think that you need to rush out tomorrow and go grab this thing. This is one of those fragrances. Last week, I was super disappointed with Afnan's Rare Reef. I thought that fragrance was not good, and I know a lot of you guys like that scent. So let's see what I picked up. Today, I actually went with Liquid Brun from French Avenue. And I'm gonna bust it open. I'm gonna get it on skin. I'm gonna let you guys know what I pick up, and ultimately let you know if Liquid Brun from French Avenue is actually any good. Let's get into it. So before I get back to this Burlington find, I want to quickly talk about something I've been wearing nonstop, because my whole channel is about helping guys look and feel put together through fragrances, and belts are something we all wear every day. Anson Belt & Buckle is sponsoring today's video, and honestly, I didn't realize how much a good belt can change how you look until I tried theirs. Once you experience that kind of fit and comfort, you're not going back to normal belts. What really stood out to me, they're family owned, and they have over 40,000 5-star reviews backing these belts with a lifetime functionality guarantee. That says everything you need to know. They stand behind that product. And because you can mix and match any buckle with any strap, you basically build a belt lineup that works with anything without cluttering your closet. It's comfort, confidence, and polish. Sitting, standing, moving, the fit stays perfect every time. Because Anson Belt & Buckle is sponsoring today's video, when you click the link in the description or scan this QR code to build a box set, you'll get 2 bonus pieces, a buckle and a strap, completely free. That's 3 buckles and 3 straps, which can be mixed and matched into 9 unique belt combos all in one box. It's an exclusive deal you won't get anywhere else, so click the link, build your set, and upgrade your belt game today. So I paid $35.99 for Liquid Brun, and this is essentially a Parfums de Mali dupe of Altair, but it gets compared heavily, and there's a lot of debate whether or not this is actually any better than Cartilage Island Vanilla Dreams. Island Vanilla Dreams. It's getting ridiculous, guys. It really is. Again, go watch my video that I posted a couple days ago. So here you have the presentation. And I can smell it already just opening the box. It smells strong, smells like vanilla. Dusty ass bottle. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a ton of dust. I'm gonna get this on skin right away, wear it, and then kind of give you guys, I'm gonna give it some time. I'm gonna run some errands, do some stuff, and then just give you an update like an hour from now. So, but initially, definitely picking up that orange blossom, vanilla, maybe a little bit of cinnamon. It's warm, it's spicy. One thing I was expecting of this to be overly sweet, and I'm not really getting overly sweet. So I'm actually a fan of that. Let's see what this does off of skin. Okay. I'm getting kind of candle vibes from it. It's not necessarily my favorite scent profile. Doesn't smell bad, doesn't smell overly synthetic. It's giving off candle vibes, heavy candle vibes for me, which, it's the vanilla here isn't particularly it's not like a bourbon vanilla. It's more synthetic vanilla. Like, I don't know. It just, there are some woods coming through. It's a little smoky, which I like. I think that balances things out. But for me, it is getting a little better. There's also a sweetness here that is almost edible. So I don't really know what that note is. But it's definitely smelling like maybe like a candy or something. So, my bottle is a little weird. I don't know. It seems to have like I don't know, maybe not. I thought it might have been a little like oil slick on the outside of the bottle. So I want to take a look at the notes. The notes are on the box. So the top notes are cinnamon, bergamot, cardamom, orange blossom. Mid is bourbon, vanilla, and elemi. Funny, because I wasn't getting a bourbon vanilla. And the base notes are musk, praline, ambroxan, and gaiac wood. Very interesting notes. Some of my favorite notes in perfume are in here, so there's just something up top that I can't quite get past. And it just, again, it's smelling like almost like a Christmas, like a potpourri type of vibe. I mean, I think the only way I'm going to really put this thing through its paces is to wear it. I'm going to give it a little bit of time, like I said, and I will check back in with you guys. Right now, I'm on the fence about it. Is it living up to the hype on first spray? Hell no. Hell no. And maybe it's just because I'm burnt out on this scent profile. A lot of, like I said, Cartilage Island Dream, Vanilla Dunes, whatever the hell it's called. I'm going to put a bottle right here. And I thought it was good. I actually really like that one. I think that one is more my speed. There's just something about it because I was just much more attracted to that profile. And it didn't smell like a candle as much as this one does. Yeah, this one smells like an air freshener, like a seasonal air freshener or something. All right, I'm gonna give it time. I'm not gonna rush to judgment on it, and I'll let you guys know. And if there is a little bit of a oil. I don't know if you can see that. It's wet here. It's wet around there, but I don't think that's a big deal. I've seen that a million times before. So let's get this on. And I am going to give you guys an update in a few. So stick around. Okay guys, so it's been about a half hour since I first sprayed, and it's gotten much better. I will say that it's gotten a lot better. The initial spray just for me was just too smelling like a candle, but right now I'm actually liking it, so I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. All right, guys, so I'm home now, and I've had plenty of time to try this out and to test it. And I have to say that if you're looking at just pure height and expectation, I am let down. I don't think this fragrance is worth the hype, in my opinion. I actually prefer the Carrelage, my memory of the Carrelage, and it's been a little while since I've smelled that one. It just was an overall better fragrance to me. So this one, I can appreciate, though, why people would like it. Again, another Altair clone. And for me, that's just, it's not my favorite scent profile to begin with. Scenarios I could find myself wearing this would be, you know, wintertime, cool weather, night out. I have some baked goods in the car right now. I can't wait to go eat. But I will say that I was around other people. I didn't get any compliments or anything like that. This is a sweeter fragrance. It did actually get sweeter the more it, the more I wore it. So I am going to give more detail as far as the overall performance goes in my weekly wears video. Let you guys know pretty much how long this lasted today. But you know, for the most part, for me, yeah, it's a $35 fragrance that smells like other things. At the end of the day, Altair, I think, is a really great fragrance, and it just has much more complexity and depth than this fragrance has. And that one, for me, is more versatile than this. This is just, to me, this is just too synthetic in the way that it smells like a candle. Although it did, as I said, get better as it dried down. A little bit more of that musk came through some of those woods. The ambroxan is very apparent here, especially in the dry down. So for me, yeah, it has this kind of clean undertone to it, but it just, for me, it's pretty straightforward and your typical wintertime, you know, scent profile that we're getting a lot of these days. So yes, you know, take that for what it's worth. I don't think you need to run out and grab this one. It is a little bit disappointing. If you're going to try to save some money, my recommendation would be to go for the Carrelage. But this one is, you know, $35, you can't really go wrong, but at the same time, how many more $35 fragrances that smell like this do you actually need in your collection? Be curious to know what you guys think of Liquid Brun from French Avenue. Is this one that you've had on your list for a while? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Be sure to check out all my videos. Like this video if you like what you saw today. Subscribe. It truly helps the channel grow, and I'll see you guys in the next video.